Hi everybody, Billy here with Tradewinds Travel. So when you're traveling in the state of Florida, every restaurant you go to is going to have one thing on the dessert that's common, and that's key lime pie. So if you go to Aunt Catfish's in Port Orange, Florida, in the Daytona Beach area, you'll find their key lime pie. And I have their recipe. It's very easy. It's 3 ingredients. It is all it is. It's a graham cracker crust. You can make your own or you can buy one. 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk and a half a cup of key lime juice. That's it. Mix it together, pour it in the pie shell, stick it in the freezer. It's delicious, it's quick, it's easy. So let me show you how to do this. Before we get started, kindly give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated on more mouth-watering dishes. So you take your thick sweetened condensed milk, I tasted a little bit of this stuff. This stuff is like really sweet. I didn't realize that. So when they say sweet and condensed, they really mean it. There's 1 can. Get every bit of it out. All right. Now, a half a cup of key lime juice. Now, you do need to use key lime juice, not lime juice. There is a difference. This is the best kind. It's Nellie and Joe's. You can find it at any grocery store. If you're living in Florida where you have fresh key limes, that would be even better. But living in North Carolina, this is the best we can do. And if you look at this, you'll see key lime juice is not green. It is yellow looking. So your pie is not going to be a bright green color. So just mix that in. All right, we get it all blended together really well. Now, I'm going to add something that the recipe doesn't call for. I'm going to take some lime zest and add that in, just to give it a little extra kick. Maybe help get rid of some of the sweetness. Now, if you live in Florida where you do have fresh key limes, that would be great if you could just zest a key lime instead of a regular lime. That's about enough. Just a little bit. All right, now we just pour it into the pie shell. Even it out a little bit. Just like that. And that's it. So we'll take this, we'll put it in the freezer overnight, and then tomorrow we'll cut it and taste test it. So we'll see you tomorrow. Aunt Catfish's on the river in Port Orange, Florida, is a beloved waterfront restaurant that has been a local favorite for decades. Nestled along the banks of the Intracoastal Waterway, Aunt Catfish's offers a unique dining experience with picturesque views of the river and a laid-back southern charm. The restaurant is renowned for its welcoming atmosphere, friendly staff, and of course, its delicious seafood. The menu at Aunt Catfish's features an array of mouth-watering seafood options, from perfectly grilled fish to succulent shrimp and crab dishes.
They are especially known for their Sunday brunch, a delightful culinary extravaganza that has become a cherished tradition for many in the Port Orange community. The Sunday brunch at Aunt Catfish's is a feast for the senses, featuring a diverse selection of breakfast and lunch options, including made-to-order omelets, fluffy pancakes, fresh fruit, and a tempting array of seafood specialties. The brunch, just like dinner, can get quite crowded, so be sure to make reservations. No visit to Aunt Catfish's on the river is complete without indulging in their signature cinnamon rolls. These gooey creations are freshly baked and generously frosted. Served warm and oozing with cinnamon and sugar goodness, these rolls have become a cherished part of the dining experience. Whether you drive in or arrive by boat and dock at the restaurant's pier, Aunt Catfish's offers a quintessential Florida dining experience that captures the essence of coastal living.
Okay, so the pie's been in the freezer overnight and it's ready to slice. So I've already cut a slice out of it. You can see how nicely it comes out. And very silky smooth. So I apologize that I don't have any whipped cream. I thought I did, but I don't. So we'll just have to try it without whipped cream. So, wow. That's very good. Very tangy. I think the added lime zest helps it. Sweet, but not overly sweet. So next time you need something quick and something very easy, try Aunt Catfish's key lime pie. It's fantastic, tastes good, and it reminds you of Florida. So until next time, happy travels.